All right, so I am very excited because yesterday some of the boxes for my new bar stools came in and he got to carry them all in, which he didn't know were gonna come in. So I was just unboxing one and I don't know. I think I need help. I don't know how I feel about it. So I really like these because I felt like they pulled in my dining table chairs really well. And my primary goal was really to match the legs of the chair to the chandelier that I have above the counter in the kitchen, above the bar there. What I'm finding is that the chair is a little bit lighter than the metal of the chandelier that I was trying to match. So those have more of like a, I don't want to say yellow, but they're darker than these are. Height-wise, I think it's perfect. I love the legs, I love the shape, I love the curve kind of in the back. So I was really looking for something that had some padding this time around. When you're doing the, different shades of bronze and brass and gold, you don't always match perfectly all the time, and that's okay. I just don't know if I'm sold on the comfort of it. So I don't know yet, but. So all in all, guys, it's okay to try new things. You buy it, you think it's gonna be great, and then it doesn't work out exactly how you thought it was gonna work out, and that's okay. I'm just not sold on the comfort, but I might give it a day or two to decide, kind of just let it sit there and see if it grows on me, or if it feels a little bit more comfortable as I sit on it throughout the day. If not, and I don't know. I think I need help. I don't know how I feel about it. Yep, kitchen bar stool.